Meal prep takes work and not a lot of time if you get organized. So I'm going to make my salads. I do 3 in a row. Okay, I take a handful of arugula, coleslaw mix, broccoli mix, spinach, kale, and not always all of them, depending on what I have in the house, but I just went grocery shopping. Piece of cucumber, some pepper, whatever pepper, and some red onion. Okay, so I'm going to do that first, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay guys, so here are my 3 salads for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I have different salad dressings that I'm bringing and at work, and today my salad's already chopped up. Notice that I keep them in chunks because I don't like my veggies mushy. For my actual meal, I had made a cauliflower rice stir fry with scrambled eggs. I also boiled some eggs, and I have cottage cheese because sometimes I don't always feel like the same thing, so I always have extra options. So that's what I did for this week. Today's lunch is salad with some hard-boiled eggs. I might have a seed cracker or something with it. I'll see how I feel. Afternoon snack, I have some mini cucumbers, some celery, and broccoli all ready for a few days. Sometimes I feel like cheese, sometimes I feel like hummus, sometimes I feel like hard-boiled eggs. So I always have options at work so that I'm prepared, because we do change our minds. Morning snack, I have different things. Cut up cantaloupe, I'll probably eat that tomorrow because I don't want it to go bad. I have a nectarine, an apple, and some mandarin oranges. Again, I'll just see how I feel, and then I can decide what I want for my morning fruit snack. For breakfast, it's always the same, and that's a tip. You know, try to have at least 1 or 2 meals that are just the same, just to make your life easy, especially if you're starting out. I add just some Greek yogurt. It's 2%. It's lower in sugar. And the Too Good vanilla. You can get different flavors. Whatever yogurt, I just like to mix it up so I have some flavor in it. I always bring my cooler bag to Tim Hortons or school after I work out, and I have my bran and cereal for high protein and fiber, and my nuts and seeds. I had some coconut, so I added that, and my vitamins, so I'm ready. And I just make this every night, the night before, because if I don't eat all this, which is normally what I don't do, I just fill it up for the next day. But you certainly can make a bunch at a time. It won't go bad just having yogurt in a container. This is my, start over here, my breakfast, morning snack, my lunch, and my first snack, veggie and whatever protein I feel like on Gina's program. And then when I come home, I have my nuts and seeds, or just one or the other, or both. And then I will figure out my dinner, but I'll probably figure it out tonight too. All right, just want to show you. This took 22 minutes. That's it, my friends. 22 minutes to meal prep. You can do it. I've been doing it for years, and it just takes some work and practice, and you'll get better. I promise. And it's all packaged up. All ready to go for tomorrow. What's for lunch today? A nice big salad. I decided to just add a sprinkle of bran, Fiber One cereal. Gives it nice crunch, extra fiber, deliciousness. You know, I love that. some hard-boiled eggs with everything bagel seasoning on top, a little bit of mayonnaise, and if I feel like it, a few rice crackers. Healthy fats, leafy greens, high protein, good carbs. That's an example of what I eat on Gina Livvy's program.